Hello class, Bryce Parks here. I want to talk about switching from 2D drafting to 3D drafting in AutoCAD. If you can see here on the screen, I have my AutoCAD window up. You want to come up here to the top area called Workspace. If you click that Workspace, you should see these options right here. Drafting and annotation we generally use for 2D drafting. The 3D modeling is generally what I recommend for the 3D design in AutoCAD. So notice here in drafting and annotation I have basic 2D shapes, lines, circles, arcs, those types of things. If I switch over to 3D, it should update to seeing this box and these other shapes, extrude command, smoothing objects, solids editing, and so forth. So these are the two primary units. If you happen to look on your AutoCAD system and you do not see this workspace, you generally would click on this down arrow and you should see where it says workspace. That's probably unchecked. So if your screen looks like this with no workspace, simply click that down arrow, click on workspace, and bam, it should pop up for your workspace where you can change between 3D modeling and drafting.